2017 to 2018 Nissan Altima USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB and the aux port right here. One thing, this is not my car. It's a dirty car. It's not mine, so don't judge. You're going to need a plastic pry bar interior tool and maybe a small flathead, maybe. But what you want to do is come on the left and the right of this, and you want to push this interior tool in between here. And then once you get it like in between, you want to kind of push it up. The clips are on the sides, so if you can get the left and right sides loose, then it should come out. You want to go like right here and just kind of work your way around and just gently try to pop it up. Don't like rage flick it because it'll rip off the faceplate, and then you're just going to pull it out like this right here. Now you can use a flathead, but you're going to scratch up your interior probably. The flathead's a lot more powerful, but you risk kind of scratching your interior with that. But it's going to have two connectors. Disconnect the black connector and the gray connector. There's a little thumb tab button on each one. What I had to do is push the button down, and then with my little flathead push the connector outwards. Careful not to stab yourself. And then get this out right here. The wires are going to want to dip back into the dash, so be super careful. Because, I mean, if they fall back in, it's not the end of the world. You just got to fish them out, but it could be kind of annoying to do. I put my little pry bar in like that so it holds them in place. Here's the USB port. Now, there's a MOLEX part number, and then there's actually a Nissan part number for this part. They do sell these on Amazon. I will link probably multiple below, multiple options, but there's a Nissan part, and then there's the MOLEX part that's like on a sticker on the side of it. And I will link a new one. These fit the 2017 and the 2018 Nissan Altima. It looks like all the trim models. And then when you get your new one, we're just gonna put these connectors back in. The black connector has a connector within a connector, so kind of be patient with that one. Make sure you line it up perfect and get it in. It should kind of snap and stay in place. And then once that one's in, we can do the gray connector. You could do it in any order you want, but just get them in. And then it should light up like this. And then, yeah, we're going to put this guy back in place. Make sure you use the same orientation. Push it in place. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Check for links below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.